Question number 17. Question number 17 কি বলছে? The rank of the matrix is, you have to find the rank of the matrix. For this matrix, when you find the rank of the matrix, use the row elementary operation. Here, if we write the matrix A is this one, 2 2 1, 2 2 1, 6 6 3, 6 6 3. বেসিক্যালি আমরা যখন র্যাঙ্ক বার করি আমরা ফার্স্ট নন জিরো এলিমেন্টকে 1 করে নিই। এবার যেহেতু এটা মাল্টিপল চয়েস কোশ্চেন, তাই একটা স্টেপেই অ্যান্সার করা যাবে। ইফ উই ইউজ দিস অপারেশন অ্যাজ r2 ড্যাশ,
R2 minus 3 R1.
r2 dash equals to r2 minus 3r1, 3r1. In that case you get the result 3r1. In that case you get the result 2 2 1, and the last becomes 0 0 and 0. So here the number of non-zero row is 1, so the rank of the matrix is 1. So you use this answer. This one is your correct answer. Okay. This one is your correct answer. Oh, next we move to the next part. Question number 18. Question number 18 কি বলছে? The system of equation has a, এই ক্ষেত্রে একটু জিনিস একটু বলার আছে। এই কোশ্চে নন ট্রিভিয়াল সলিউশন থাকা না থাকা কার উপর নির্ভর করে? If we consider a homogeneous system of equation, if the coefficient determinant value equals to 0, then we say that the homogeneous system of equation has a non-trivial solution. If the coefficient determinant value is equals to 0, then we say that it has no non-trivial solution. Okay, so for this problem you have to check that the coefficient determinant value is equals to 0 or not equals to 0. Here the result is 1 1 minus 3. The coefficient determinant, if we write the coefficient determinant is equals to a is equals to 1 1 minus 3. Second one is 3 minus 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 1, and the last one is 2 1 and minus 4. So you have to check, the value of the determinant, the value of the determinant 1 minus 1 into minus 4, this becomes 4, plus 1 minus 1 into minus 12
plus 2.
The last one is minus 3
Minus into
3 plus 2.
3
plus 2. So the ultimate result becomes, this one should be 5
plus 10
plus 10
minus 15.
minus 15. So the result becomes 0. Since the coefficient determinant value is equals to 0, then we can say that this homogeneous system of equation must have a non-trivial solution. This homogeneous system of equation must have a non-trivial solution. So a non-trivial solution is the correct answer. Clear? A non-trivial solution is the correct answer. Next we move to the next question. The equation Atho has, here the equation is x minus y. You can use geometrically. Since the equation is x minus y equals to 0, which represent that y equals to x, that means the line passing through origin. Okay, the line passing through origin. So no solution, it should not be the correct answer. Exactly one solution, that should not be the correct answer, because every point on the line should be a solution. Okay, every point on the line should be a solution. Exactly two solution and infinite number, exactly two solution is not the correct answer. So infinite number of solution is the correct answer. Okay, clear? Next, the value of k for which the rank of the matrix is 2. Here it is given that the rank is 2. That means the rank of the matrix is less than its order. Since the rank is less than order, it's a square matrix. It's represent that the corresponding determinant value should be equals to 0. If the corresponding determinant value should not be equals to 0, then the rank should be 3. But according to the question, it is given that rank is 2. Therefore, it's represent that the corresponding determinant value should be equals to 0. So this one is 1, A, and 1, 10, 1, 0. You can easily find from this equation the value of k, or 1 into k minus 0, that is 0 minus 1. Next one should be minus 1, minus 1 into 0 minus 10, 0 minus 10, and the last one becomes plus 1, 1 minus 10k. 1 minus 10k, that should be equals to 0. Since this result is 0, after calculation this becomes minus 1, this becomes plus 10, so the ultimate result becomes 9. 9 plus 1, 10, minus 10k, that means ultimate result becomes 10k. 10k equals to 10, so the value of k becomes 1. Value of k becomes 1. So if we consider k is equals to 1, if we consider k is equals to 1, then the value of the determinant becomes 0. Since the value of the determinant becomes 0, so the rank of the matrix should be less than 3. We can consider that the rank of matrix is 2. For that reason, this one should be the correct answer. Okay? हो जाएगा जी? Next question, question number 21. You can use the same pattern we have already mentioned in the previous in the previous class. What should be the value of this particular determinant? You use this property, you can easily find two identical rows. If we use the property C3 minus C2, C3 minus C2, the result becomes, this one becomes 1, this one becomes 1, and this one becomes 1. Okay. Similarly, if you subtract C1 from C2, this result also becomes 1, this result becomes 1, and this result becomes 1. The remaining is 100, column is 100, this one is 105, 105, and the last one is 110, 110. So these two column are identical, therefore the value of the determinant becomes 0. These two column are identical, the value of the determinant becomes 0. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. That is the last question. In this, the minor and the cofactor of minus 2 respectively. তার মানে এই minus 2 এলিমেন্টের থেকে minor আর cofactor বার করতে বলেছে. When we find the minor and cofactor of a certain element, you have to discard the corresponding row and column from this. We get a remaining one less order determinant, minus 1, minus 3. This one becomes minus 5. And this one becomes 9. That should be the minor. That should be the minor. Okay, that should be the minor of minus 2. That is equals to this. If we expand this one, the result becomes minus 9, minus 15. So ultimate result becomes minus 24. That should be your minor. Okay. Then how can I find the cofactor? Cofactor is the position minor. If we represent this one, it's the position is first row and second column. Minor is represented by M12, and the cofactor becomes minus 1 whole to the power row plus column. That is 1 plus of 2. So the result becomes minus of M12. So the cofactor becomes plus 24. Okay. So the cofactor becomes plus 24 and minus becomes minus 24. Okay. So option A is the correct answer.
Hmm.
Minor is 20 minus 24 and cofactor is 2. হয়ে গেছে? বুঝে ফেলেছিস? এই ছিল আমি যা যা পড়িয়েছি ক্লাসের মানে আমি যা যা ক্লাস নিয়েছি বা অনলাইনে ভিডিও দিয়েছি